Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamaraly. If you guys are new here, I just want to say thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, just know that all of my videos and my channel is basically based on me helping those starting their entrepreneurial journey or those who are already an entrepreneur but just need help with some tweaks. Whether you are an agency owner, you own an e-commerce store, or whatever it is, I am here to help, and that is what my videos are for. However, before I jump into this video, I do want to just ask if you can just go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Hit that notification bell to be notified of every time I post. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up because this is a great one. Now, this video, as you can tell by the title of the video, I will be sharing with you 3 ways on how to obtain clients without case studies. Now, this video is super important, and I wish that there was a video like this out when I first started my social media marketing agency. And just so you know, this video does not pertain and is specific to only social media marketing agency owners. This can be for those who are coaches, consultants, or any service-based business. Now, like I said, I wish that there was a video just like this that I could have known before I first started, because this would have helped me out a ton. Now, obviously, as like a first-time entrepreneur or agency owner, coach, consultant, whatever it is that you are service-based, you most likely don't start out with experience, or you don't start off with case studies. Now, you're just jumping into the field, you're trying to attain clients. Now, what do you do? Now, what do you do in the situation when you're face-to-face with a potential client and they ask you about case studies? Now, this video I am creating exactly for you guys who have this question and are struggling and maybe in this kind of confusion as to what to do without a case study. So this video is just for you. So if this is something that you are interested in, then definitely be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video, because the last way is the best way to attain clients without case studies. Without further ado, I'm just going to stop rambling and jump right into the video. Now, the first way to attain clients without any case studies is by offering free work. You can go into a Facebook group and ask others that, you know, hey, you're looking for some case studies, that if they're willing to spend some sort of ad spend or whatever service it is that you are providing, that you'll be willing to do the work for free of your cost. Of course, they have to pay for the ad spend, but you will not charge for your labor. You can run their ads, or again, whatever service it is that you are providing. I always say ads because for my agency, we offer paid advertising, so I use that as the example. You can go ahead and go into a Facebook group, ask around and say, hey, I'm developing some case studies. Comment down below, anyone who's interested, you know, me being able to deliver you, you know, free work, and see who comments back and is okay with that, and then deliver the work to them for free of no cost. Again, like I said, they pay only like the service, softwares, or whatever, but they will not pay you for the actual labor that you do. I find that this works very well because, again, it's like an exchange. You're giving them something for free, and then whatever then comes out of it, you can use that to show as a quote-unquote case study. Now, I know that was simple, just doing the work for free, but the next way is probably something that I would have wished I would have known back when I started. Now, the second way is getting a media buyer to jump on board with you. Partnering up with a media buyer is probably something that I never would have thought of for starting out, but it's the most cleverest way. And the way to do this is, again, go on Facebook, jump on some Facebook groups that is all about media buyers, or that contains all media buyers, and say, hey, I'm looking to partner up or hire some media buyers to do some paid advertising. Start interviewing them, communicate with them, see where their expertise is, and then ask them and be straight up with them and say, hey, you know, this is my first time doing it. I studied on this. However, I know that you're much more of an expertise, and obviously when I get a client, this will be your client too, because you'll be running the ads for them on the back end. However, to show on the front end, am I able to use your work as like a case study to show like the results that we, essentially, because you guys are partnering up, like would be able to do for them. So if they say yes, then perfect, then you have their result and work to show to the potential business and prospect that you are getting ready or in the works of working with. Another benefit to having an actual media buyer show results is that you actually have confidence in the fact that they will be delivering great results, just because you know that since you're hiring them, they are an expert in this and that you will get really great results. Now, the last and final way is probably the best way to attain clients without case studies, and this is exactly why. So the last and final way is basically having a 90-day challenge. Now, 90-day challenge is like a content-based challenge, and what that is just building credibility through value-added content on your social platforms. So the way to do this is starting out for 90 days. That's roughly around 3 months of just posting every single day, whether it's a video, whether it's like a post, quote, or something that is delivering value to your ideal customer or to your ideal clients that you are trying to work with. You really want to start by optimizing all your social media platforms, making sure that you get clear in your messaging as to who you want to work with. All of your content is delivering value to your chosen audience. And by delivering all this value-added content, you are creating awareness around your name and your brand. Now, when you're delivering and posting a lot of value on your social media platforms, what you're doing is you're coming from a position of value. And when you come from a position of value, your ideal clients and your ideal audience, they see you as an expert in the field. Therefore, because they see you as an expert, they will not question you as to whether or not you know how to do this or you don't know how to do this. They will trust in you because you've built that trust through all of your value-added content that you've been constantly posting and delivering to them. And a great way to do this, and something that I highly recommend, especially when you are trying to prospect. Now, I have a whole entire video that I will link in here in regards to the 3 best outreach methods. However, for the sake of this video, I'm going to share with you Loom videos. Loom videos are one of the best ways, in my honest opinion, and it's one of my favorite ways on how to outreach to my potential clients. So what I would highly recommend you to do is create a Loom video explaining like a scaling strategy and deliver them a lot of value. Deliver them so much value that they'll look at it and be like, this strategy is a necessity in my workplace or my current business model. I need whatever the strategy is, or maybe it's something that they can even implement themselves. All I'm saying is that you need to deliver a lot of value in that Loom video when you are prospecting and sending this to potential clients to work with. Reason being is, again, when you are delivering them a lot of value, you're coming from a position of value, and they'll see you as an expert and will not even ask for a case study or question you. Now, that is more towards agency owners. However, let's say if you're a coach or consultant or just any service-based like business, what you can do is you can do kind of like the same steps, do the same 90-day challenge, optimize your social media accounts, and create awareness through all of your value-added content by posting every single day. And what you guys can essentially do is you can build a free product, like a digital product, such as like an ebook or a mini course, explaining some sort of expertise or whatever skill set it is that you are strong suited in. Get your ideal followers to go ahead and either download, give you their name and email, and download whatever digital product it is for free. And in exchange, what you will do is take all of their emails and import it into some sort of Facebook group where you are crafting your community. And through that, you can build a strong community by messaging them through their Facebook group, asking them for feedback on whatever mini course, ebook, or whatever digital product it is that you delivered to them for free that they had downloaded. And like that, you can then develop testimonials all through your Facebook group because you had asked them for your feedback. They're more than likely to say, oh my God, it was so amazing. You can even offer them like a 30-minute free strategy session for them. Jump on a call with them, deliver them a lot of value or whatever help that they are in need of. And then at the end of that call, you can simply just ask them for a short 30-second video testimonial, basically stating how great your digital product was or how well you were able to explain XYZ to them. Now, again, I wish I would have known all 3 of these strategies when I first started back then. I had to learn the hard way, but hopefully this video was able to help you and steer you guys in the right direction if you guys were kind of like in a rut on how to attain clients without any case studies to show. So again, I hope that this video found you well and it was helpful to you. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. And as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.